Okay, so now I'm going to do some basic shaping, and I'm going to use a modified tool called Fillet. So Fillet, you can see here from that little drawing, shows you that it rounds edges off. So I'm going to choose the Fillet tool, and I'm going to zoom in a little bit, and I'm going to basically put around this circle here. So you can see it goes black when I click on it. I click on it, it's gone blue. Same thing, I can either drag the handle, okay, to shape, or I can put a number in. So if I want that to be perhaps 8mm, I can put that number in, and I'm going to say OK to that one. I'm going to use the same tool in a few other places. So I'm going to go to the bottom. If I want to see it underneath, I can kind of shift drag and I can see it this way, and I can zoom in by using, like I said, there's a roll mouse button. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to modify my fillet. I'm going to choose this edge here as the fillet, and I'm going to put a slightly smaller one on this time. Maybe I will try something like 4mm and see what that looks like. Okay, I'm happy with that. I'm going to say OK. Let's go back to where I was. So I could use my little home button to get back to that shape. So where else? Maybe I want to do a fillet on this edge here, and I'm going to make that one maybe fillet the other way, so I'm going to pull it out. So same thing, modify fillet, choose this edge, and I'm going to drag, and you can see that I can get some kind of nice shaping using that. I'm going to say OK to that one, and I'm going to do one more. I'm going to put a little tiny one on this top edge here, because afterwards I'm going to put a screw thread on here to cut it out. So modify my fillet, choose my edge again, and just maybe that's too big. I think I'm just going to go for 2mm, see what that looks like, and say OK. So that's a bit of shaping done on my bottle.